Primetime news this evening. State promises swift response to deadly mass shooting in St. Catherine. Relatives of victims of Clarendon mass shooting struggling mentally days after the incident. And Energy Minister orders special audit as JPS billing saga escalates.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. Special welcome as well to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. With a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Javon Keys.
Well, Andrea, I'll have some reactions to the news that the Bank of Jamaica has reduced the policy interest rate to 6.75%, and I'll also have your latest gas prices, so you want to stick around for all that and more in the business day.
Thank you, Keys. And Jermaine Brown is here with a preview of what's coming up in the big show.
All right, Archie, thank you. Well, big things for a Jamaican cricketer who will be making his return after having his 2-year ban shortened. We'll tell you more a bit later on.
Thank you, Jermaine. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we are asking, what do you make of the decision to import certain produce to fill the gap in the local market post-burial?
Share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us, the news in detail right after the break.